Hello everyone, just making a really quick video tonight because mainly I want to remind all of you that there is a FAA Drone Advisory Committee meeting this Thursday, or the DAC meeting, a lot of people will call it, this Thursday. It starts at 11 a.m. and it goes until 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And they will be live streaming this both on their Facebook page and on their YouTube page. And I'll make sure that there's some links down in the description as always, so it makes it nice and easy for you guys to find it. And I think it would be awesome if as many of you as possible can tune in to the live stream, either on Facebook or on YouTube, so we can show the FAA that we are out there, we exist, there's a lot of us, and we care. We care about these regulations that they're working on that are going to affect us and our hobby. And that we know that these have been created with very little input from the recreational hobbyists like myself and like you. I think it would also be great for us to show up in huge numbers to show support for the FPV Freedom Coalition's president, Dave Messina, as he will be giving a presentation on behalf of the tasking group on safety culture. So actually, let's just jump into the agenda, or I guess the FAA calls it the eBook. They've just published the eBook for this upcoming meeting. Okay, so at 11 a.m. it starts off with greetings and logistics, of course, and then they're going to read the official statement of the designated federal officer, and then they're going to review the previous agenda and approve the previous meeting minutes, boring meeting stuff. Then they're going to do a couple of different opening remarks, so that should be interesting to see what the opening remarks are. And then at 11:30 is when people really need to tune in, 11:30 Eastern time, remember? Because that's when Dave Messina is going to give the presentation on behalf of the safety culture. And then after he's done talking, the FAA is going to go into a series of responses to different tasking groups that gave the recommendations in the previous meeting. So in this case, they're going to go over the recommendations from the facility maps and give their response to it. They're going to talk about UTM, the UTM tasking group, and give the FAA response to that. And those responses are actually in this ebook, and I encourage all of you to take a look at that and read those carefully. There's some stuff in there, especially for you, Bruce Simpson, about New Zealand and shielded operations. And then it looks like at 1:45, they're going to create a new tasking group about low altitude remote ID operations. Then they're going to discuss the standing operations and technology subcommittee. Then they're going to go over new business and future meeting agenda topic suggestions. And then the usual closing remarks, final thoughts. And then the meeting will adjourn at 2:55 p.m. I thought it was supposed to go till 3. Oh, well. Close enough, right? So I was actually hoping to see somewhere on this agenda that they were going to announce new DAC members, but apparently that's was a bit optimistic. The government doesn't really move that fast, so maybe that'll happen at the February DAC meeting instead. Anyway, as I was saying, the DAC meeting is this Thursday, so put it on your calendar, set a reminder, whatever you have to do to help yourself remember that it's going to happen and when, so you can show up. And I want to see as many of you who are watching this video as possible showing up to those live streams or watching the recordings soon after. I really hope that gives a message to the FAA that we do care. We care about these regulations a lot. Anyway, please spread the word, let other people know about this, and I hope to see you all on Thursday. Oh, one more quick thing before I go. If you like that little tagline / logo thing I put at the end of my videos that says change your view, fly FPV, and if you get the double meaning of it, even better. But if you like that and want to have it on a t-shirt, don't forget that you can get one, just like the one I'm wearing right now. And you can also support the FPV Freedom Coalition in the process. To do that, just head over to the FPVFC's website and their store, so fpvfc.org/store, and pick one out for yourself.